Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Walmart Marketplace seller verification, full guide step by step clearly. To begin the authorization process for Walmart Marketplace seller verification, navigate to the Walmart Marketplace website. Log into your seller account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, locate the account section in the main menu. Click on Profile to access your account settings. In the Profile section, look for the Business Information tab. Ensure that your business name and contact information are accurate and up to date. Next, gather the necessary documents for verification. You will typically need a government-issued ID, business license, and tax identification number. Scan or take clear photos of these documents to upload later. Return to the Profile section and click on Verification or Seller Verification. Follow the prompts to upload your scanned documents. Make sure each document is legible and meets Walmart's format requirements. After uploading, double-check that all information entered is correct. Submit your verification request for review. Walmart will notify you via email once your verification is processed. Keep an eye on your inbox for any further instructions or documentation requests. If your request is approved, you will receive confirmation of your seller status. In case of any issues, refer to the support section for troubleshooting or assistance. Complete any additional steps as required by Walmart to finalize your seller account setup. Once verified, you can start listing your products and selling on Walmart Marketplace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.